Good morning, students. I am Nayana, your computer teacher. You have already learned C programming in your previous year. This year, I am going to introduce a new programming language, Python. Before starting Python language, you need to understand some terms related to programming language. Computer languages. Language is the medium of communication and communicate with the computer. We need a common language, we call it computer languages. A language that computer can understand. Let us learn about computer language. If people want to talk each other, they need a common language that both of them can understand. If one person speaks Hindi and the other person speaks English, both of them can't understand each other's language. How will they communicate? They need an interpreter who can interpret for both of them. Computer is the machine, so it cannot understand our language. It understands only two states of switches, that is on and off. Switch on is represented by a code 1, while switch off is represented by a code 0. These codes are called binary codes. Binary codes are represented by 0 and 1. What do you mean by programming? The process of developing the software is called programming. Programming language can be classified into three categories. First one, machine language or low-level language. Second one, assembly language. And third one, high-level language. First one, machine language. A language that is directly understood by the hardware. Machine language is the lowest and most elementary level of programming language. It was the first type of programming language to be developed. It uses binary digits 0 and 1 for giving instructions. Second one, assembly language. Slightly more user-friendly language that directly corresponds to machine language. Assembly language was developed to overcome some of the many inconveniences of machine language. This is low-level language but very important language in which operation codes and operands are given in the form alphanumeric symbols instead of zeros and ones. It is called mnemonics. Third one, high-level language. High-level language is programming language which is closely associated with human understanding. That is, its syntax or way of writing is easily understandable, like English language. Most common programming languages are considered high-level languages. Examples of high-level languages are C, C++, Java, Python, etc. This is the last topic of today's session. Today we have learned computer languages. Thank you.